Welcome to all. Today discuss a topic of arithmetic mean, continuous series of shortcut method. For the example, compute average from the following data: wages for x, number of workers for frequency f. So the wages for 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Therefore the class interval type, the class interval increasing the 10. So the frequency for 5, 10, 25, 36, 24, 10 and 5. So the shortcut method formula for x bar is equal to a plus or minus sum of fd by n. So x bar is equal to mean, sum of fd is equal to sum of total, n is equal to number of frequency or total number of observation, f is equal to frequency, m for mid value or midpoint. Therefore lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So d for deviation. So m minus a is equal to d. So a for assumed mean. So to preparation of the table for column number 1 for x and column number 2 for frequency f and column number 3 for m, mid value or midpoint. So column number 4 for d is equal to m minus a. Therefore already told x minus a. So x for x series for class interval. So therefore to find out the midpoint in x series, so to find out the d for m minus a, and column number 4 for f into g fd. So column number for first x 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. And column number 2 for frequency for 5, 10, 25, 36, 24, 10 and 5. Therefore sum of frequency. So to add the frequency value 5 plus 10 plus 25 plus 36 plus 24 plus 10 and plus 5. Therefore n is equal to 115. So third column for midpoints. So therefore midpoint for lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So the class interval of 0 to 10, the 0 is a lower limit, 10 is a upper limit. Therefore 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5 as a midpoint or mid value. The second class interval for 10 to 20, the 10 is a lower limit, 20 is a upper limit. Therefore 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is equal to 15. And third class interval for 20 for lower interval, 30 for upper limit. Therefore 20 plus 30 divided by 2, therefore 25 as a midpoint. Next class interval for 30 to 40, 30 is a lower limit, 40 is a upper limit. Therefore 30 plus 40 divided by 2, therefore 35 as a midpoint. Next class interval for 40 to 50, therefore 40 is a lower limit, 50 is a upper limit. Therefore 40 plus 50 divided by 2, therefore 45. And next class interval for 50 to 60, therefore 50 is a lower limit, 60 as a upper limit. Therefore 50 plus 60 divided by 2, therefore 55 as a midpoint. And last class interval for 60 to 70, 60 as a lower limit, 70 as a upper limit. Therefore 60 plus 70 divided by 2, 65 as a midpoint. So column number 4 for d for deviation. So therefore d is equal to m minus a. The midpoint is find out the x series. So mid value minus a for assumed mean. So you can take any one value for assumed mean of m. So I take the assumed mean for 35 as a for assumed mean. Therefore m minus a it's equal to d. So 5 minus 35 it's equal to minus 30 and 15 minus 35, therefore it's equal to minus 20. and 25 minus 35 it's equal to minus 10, and 35 minus 35 it's equal to 0, and 45 minus 35 it's equal to 10, and 55 minus 35 it's equal to 20. Finally 65 minus 35 it's equal to 30. So last column for FD. So F into D it's equal to FD. So 5 into minus 30, therefore minus 150, and 10 into minus 20, therefore minus 200. 25 into minus 10, therefore minus 250. 36 into 0, therefore 0. 24 into 10 it's equal to 240. 10 into 20 it's equal to 200, and 5 into 30 it's equal to 150. Therefore to sum of the FD, to first add the positive value for 150 plus 200 plus 240, therefore 590, and less to add the negative value for 150 plus 200 plus 250, therefore 600. Therefore sum of FD it's equal to minus 10. Therefore sum of FD it's equal to minus 10. Number of frequency 115, and assumed mean for 35. So to apply the formula, A plus or minus sum of FD by N. So A for assumed mean 35, sum of FD, so minus 10, so put the formula for symbol of minus. So 10 divided by N it's equal to 150. Therefore 10 divided by 150 it's equal to 0.0869. Therefore mean it's equal to 35 minus 0.0869. So the mean wage for 34.91. Thank you.